In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the XAUUSD symbol to your watch list in the trading platform. Now, for those of you new to trading, XAUUSD is an important symbol to familiarize yourself with. It essentially reflects the value of 1 ounce of gold against the US dollar. Here, XAU stands for gold and USD for the US dollar. Understanding this can be crucial for anyone trading in the Forex market, as gold is a significant commodity and its value can fluctuate based on various economic factors. So let's dive into how you can keep track of XAUUSD for your trading needs. First things first, you'll want to log into your trading platform and navigate to your watch list section. Depending on the platform you use, this can usually be found as a side panel or a drop-down menu on your dashboard. Having a watch list is incredibly useful because it allows you to monitor the performances of your selected trading symbols. By adding XAUUSD to your watch list, you'll keep all pertinent market data right at your fingertips without having to search for it repeatedly. Once you're at your watch list, the next step is to find the option to add a new symbol. Again, this option's location might differ slightly depending on your trading software, but it's generally evident, often represented by a plus sign or an add button. This functionality permits you to customize your watch list based on the commodities, stocks, or currencies you're most interested in tracking. Upon selecting the Add Symbol option, you'll see a search bar or field where you can type in XAUUSD. Type it exactly as it is, since trading symbols are case sensitive and have specific formats that need to be precise for the system to recognize them. Once you've typed in XAUUSD, the corresponding search results should automatically display. Here you can verify that you've selected the right symbol by checking its description or its corresponding market details in the information provided. With XAUUSD selected, add it to your watch list by clicking on the relevant Add or Confirm button. It's usually a simple click away. Once added, XAUUSD should now appear alongside any other symbols you might be monitoring within your watch list. Having it there means you can now view its current trading price, examine historical data, and analyze any trends, all from one convenient spot. Keeping XAUUSD on your watch list is beneficial for quick, accessible updates on the global gold price relative to the US dollar, making informed trading decisions easier. That's it for adding the XAUUSD symbol to your watch list. By keeping track of this crucial commodity, you'll be better equipped to navigate the fluctuating Forex market. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.